Hello everyone, and today in this video we are going to make this beautiful HTML. So let's start doing. So let's download the images that I provided you in a link in the description. You can click on that link and download this 3 images. Okay, so now let me save this, and let me save this in a new folder called car animation HTML. Yeah, so now let me save this. So now let me extract it. So now you can see these 3 images. So now let's start doing the code, but the code is really simple, so no need to worry. Let's start coding. So the first tag is the HTML tag. Yeah, so let's go to the next tag, that is the body background, the background tag. Yes, so the tag for body background, the background is body background. Okay, so which image should be applied as the backgrounds? So we need the road.jpg as the background. So let's write road.jpg. Yeah, so now let's end the tag and let's go to the next one and write as width, and let's make it apply all over the page. Yes, yeah, so let me write 100% and let me end that line. So next one, for the marquee. So for the marquee, yes, the marquee lets you an image or a text to go at a specific direction. It makes the car one image go at the right direction and go at the speed or the scroll amount at 25. Yes, so now it's finished. Yeah, so let's insert the image, that is image ASLC. So this is the tag that is used to insert an image. So which image should go at the speed of 25 and at the right direction? So let's make it as car1.jpg. Okay, yeah, car1.jpg. And let's make the width as 15%. Why 15%? Many of you might ask, as we don't want the car to be applied all over the page, but in a small amount. So let's finish that by writing /marquee. Always in the end tag, you should apply this slash. If you didn't apply this slash, it won't work. So now let's see how it works. We will see. Let's save it. Let's save it as car animation, but the ending should be ended in .html. And let's save this, and now let's open this car animation.html, and here we go. Yes. So you can see that one car is going. Yeah. So let's make it for the other cars. So this is the same. Sorry. Yes. So the next car, that is car 2, should go also at the speed of 25 and at the left direction. I want the car to go at the left direction. The car 2 image. Yes. So let's now save it and let's now see. Yeah, 2 cars are going and that looks just nice. So let's make it for the other roads. Yes. Yes. So this is just the same but a bit different, just about the speed. So let's make these two as 50 and 50, the third and fourth rows. Okay, and let's save it and let's reload it. Yes. So now all these cars are going nice, but as you see, this car is going, looks like it's going on the land and not on the road. So let's have the BR tag. So the BR tag breaks every car. So now let's reload it. Yeah, and now you can see that every car is going, looks like it's going on the road. So now it looks like it is finished, but it's not a proper way to finish an HTML. So the ending should be of slash body, as we use the body tag here, and the slash HTML, as we use the HTML tag here and the HTML whole web page. Yes, save, and let's see, and voila, and we made the HTML. So whenever you open this file, it will open this web page which is made using HTML. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with your friends, and bye bye, and try this HTML at your home. If you are tired of writing this HTML, I have also provided the link of the HTML document which you can use without typing. Bye bye.